Let's talk about abundance versus neediness, the two energies. Imagine I'm a salesperson and I'm trying to sell you a product. I got my little clipboard and I've already made 20 sales today, hitting my goal of just 10 sales and surpassing it. Do you think I'm going to have this like sort of like rushed energy? Oh, I need to like I need to sell this person. I need to sell this person. What should I say? What's overthinking everything, right? Or am I gonna be more relaxed? I'm probably gonna be in more of this relaxed ease energy. I'm not trying so hard to sell you. I'm just in a good mood. I'm happy. I'm relaxed, and I'm just selling my product. And I made 20 sales. So because I've made 20 sales, instinctively, because I have this more relaxed energy, you're going to want to buy the product, right? Because you've seen, oh, 20 people have bought it. That means I should buy it, right? And that's more attractive energy. That's the most attractive energy you can have. Compare this to if I got no sales that day, zero, and I'm trying to sell to you. What kind of energy do you think I would have? I would probably naturally have this more like rushed energy. I gotta get sales. I've like 10 more minutes to sell in that day, right? I gotta, and I'm probably like blabbering, blah, 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 right? I'm probably speaking fast and everything. I'm trying to sell to you. You're just kind of like, you're kind of uncomfortable, right? You probably get uncomfortable from that energy. And that's needy energy. It's rushed energy. It's not relaxed. It's not abundant. And that's why you instinctively don't want to buy from me when I'm in this energy. It's the same with getting friends. If you have lots of friends, this is you with your friends, right? You have a bunch of friends, right? Hugging them. And you're going to have a state of abundance. When you're trying to make a new friend, you're not going to be like kind of weird about it. You're not going to be uncomfortable or anything. You're not going to be needy to make a friend. You're going to be like, come in here and join the group of people, right? And you'll have this unrushed energy. Whereas if you have no friends and you have a neediness to like find a friend, you're needy to this other person to make them your friend basically, they're gonna get uncomfortable and they're gonna sense that if you have this neediness. So a lot of people are in the spot, and if you are in the spot, right, just this is so simple to fix this. Just act like you do have a bunch of friends. Just pretend that you do. Just make yourself delusional in your own mind that you do have a lot of friends, and you won't come with this energy that, oh, I need to make this person my friend, right? And everything, that's kind of what I'm trying to explain there, is everything comes when you stop trying so desperately and you start acting like you already have the thing that you want, and you'll get more of it, is a weird thing. Coming up with ideas and creativity is kind of the same way. Imagine a hose, right? And this is just a garden hose, and there's water, there's like a current going through, and the current is your creative juices. If you constrict the hose and try to go, like try to come up with idea, I gotta come up with idea, think, right? You're going to constrict the hose, and you're gonna make these little kinks everywhere, and the water can't get through. Instead of that, try relaxing, relax the hose. All of a sudden, you start coming up with these crazy genius ideas and everything. Once you stop trying, you start coming up with these like fun ideas. I used to write stories, and the ideas would come to me at the most relaxed times, when I'm like in the shower, where I'm in my bed ready to go to sleep, or when I'm just walking outside. Mr. Beast does this too. Do you think when Mr. Beast is trying to come up with a video, do you think the energy that he has is like, oh gosh, I gotta make a video, I gotta make a video? Gotta come up with a video idea. What video should I do? I gotta come up with it. No, he's and he's explained this too. He goes on walks. He's in this relaxed energy, relaxed, carefree energy. He's just thinking, enjoying the birds, and boom, idea comes to him, right? If he was walking around overthinking, that idea, that genius idea, is never going to come to him. The biggest signs of abundance, the holy trinity of abundance, which is like kingly energy. Number one, happiness, a smile on your face. This is how you should look for most of the day. And gratitude, which makes you smile. Boom. And being calm and unrushed, relaxing. Number one, act like you're in a state of abundance. This is the 5 stages of abundance to get abundance and to get rid of neediness. Act like you're in a state of abundance, even if you aren't. So, if you're trying to get girls, act like you already have a bunch of girls that are into you. If you want friends and a big social life and a ton of buddies, act like you already have a ton of buddies. If you want money and sales, act like you've gotten 20 sales already today or whatever your goal is. Number 2, never rush mental work. Let the thoughts and ideas come to you through focus. Again, the hose analogy, right? Don't squeeze the hose, just relax and let the current flow through. Meditation is a great way to clear your head, which brings you to a focused state on the one thing that you're trying to focus on, because that's what we're trying to do. Phones are the complete opposite of meditation. Get rid of your devices, get rid of the social media as much as you can, right? Because we got TikTok, we got Facebook, we got Instagram, we got all these different things pulling our attention this way, and then politics, and then all this, and then all that, right? And we're thinking about all these different things, and now we have like 30 different things going on, like automatically inside of our head, where we're supposed to focus on one thing, the thing that we're doing right now. And if you're trying to come up with ideas, a great space to do that is, I've found, is like big spacious areas, like on a rooftop, or maybe just a big room. You'll The bigger the room you are in, the bigger ideas you'll come up with, basically. And a clean space, particularly, maybe you'll clean your room, you'll clean part of your house and work in there, and you'll have nothing, everything will be empty in your room except for your desk, so you can work hard. Number 3 is force a smile. And once you do this, after a while, it will turn into a real smile, and you'll actually start thinking about things that you love, and that'll make you smile more. Because, like, imagine like thinking about the things you love, right? Like, how can you not just smile from that? And then you walk around with this sort of like smiley energy because you're thinking about these things that you love, and you become more attractive because of that. Because let's say I'm in a grocery store and there's this old lady, and I'm already smiling, right? And I look at her and she smiles back at me, and you have this nice social moment, right? Whereas if you were walking up to her like stone faced like this, and then you look at her and then you smile, right? That's not inviting, because if you're already smiling, that's like, oh, this person's already living like a fun life. I wanted to be part of this person's life because that person's having fun, clearly, because he's smiling like that, right? When you're already smiling and having fun in your life, people want to join in. People want to live vicariously through you because your life is so fun and enjoyable, because you're enjoying your own life. That's why smiling will make you more attractive, as well as genuinely enjoying the little things, which will also make you smile more anyway. So, like a beautiful bird that's singing on your branch, that's going to make you smile. Just set a lower bar for wonder and set a lower bar for joy and set a lower bar for happiness so that these little things will make you smile and will make you happy. Number four is gratitude, which will make you smile more. Let's just do an actionable step right now. Go grab your phone and go send a message to whoever, send a message to someone close to you, your friend, your mom, whatever. Maybe it's your mom and she got groceries for you yesterday. And you're like, Mom, I'm so grateful for you getting groceries for me. Thank you. I love you. Imagine that'll make her day. Imagine the smile on her face when she sees that message from you. Or maybe you hung out with your homeboy and you went exploring or something. You went behind this waterfall or whatever. I really had a great time with you. Like, thank you for coming with me. It was very nice to be with you on this adventure that we went on yesterday. Imagine that's going to make your friend's day too. Like, who even sends messages like that anymore, right? And you'll be the one guy that does send messages like that. And that will literally make you like a social Chad because nobody else does this. That'll make you so warm to be around because people understand that like you actually care about them, you actually think about them. And on top of that, just keep a gratitude journal, whether it's on your phone, whether it's in a notebook, it doesn't matter. Phone's easier for like everything. But I'm thankful for my sister. Boom, done. I'm thankful for the time I had with my friend the other day. Boom, done. I'm thankful for my coworker. He makes me laugh. Everything, right? And the third thing is gratitude walks, which is basically going on a walk and dedicating the entire walk to thinking thoughts of gratitude in your head while you're walking the entire time. The fifth and final thing to do for abundance and to remove neediness is confidence. How do you build confidence though? You get better at stuff, right? You get better at stuff. That's one way to build confidence. But basically, confidence deep down inside is your how loyal you are to yourself. The more loyal you are to yourself and the more you trust yourself, the more confidence you have because you believe in yourself, you trust yourself. So you said in your habit tracker today that you were going to do these specific things and then you actually did them. You actually went to the gym. You actually read one book a week. You actually dated more because you said you were going to do that for your social life. You said you were going to meet more people, be more social, and get more friends. You did that. You did what you said you were going to do. You said you were going to play guitar more because you want to learn the guitar. Boom, check that off. And you're checking all these boxes off. Every time you're checking a box, it's basically you building your confidence. You're getting more and more confident whenever you do something that you said you were going to do, whatever you said you were going out to do, you did that thing. Now you have more confidence. That's why when you go out and do a fun activity, a fun social event, whatever, you have more fun when you did all these habits that you said you were going to do at the beginning of the day rather than if you're to just go out and waste time. You did the hard work first and now you're going out and now you're going to have more fun. I really appreciate you guys watching this video and I'm grateful for you. So go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe and I'll be posting more content soon.